Everyone in life's got stuff they want to do. I'll get mine on video and then show it to you. Good lucket list. Welcome back to Good Lucket List. Number 2 on the bucket list is to shoot a TV. Because I've been, I have a lot of videos of me shooting things. I don't think I've shot anything as interesting as a TV. I've shot fruit. I've shot a motorcycle helmet. Things like that. I shot a brick before. That was neat. But I haven't shot anything as interesting as a TV. I want to see what's going to happen. It's one of those old tube TVs too, so hopefully it'll do something cool. Let's check it out. By the way, don't click off right after I'm done shooting it because I do something even cooler right after.
Alright, let's try it.
Here we have a firework that we're going to put inside of it, and it has 2 blasts. You're supposed to put it into a tube. It's a mortar firework. This explodes, sending it into the air, and then this explodes with a big light show and everything. But that's not going to happen inside of a TV. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to see.
Uh-oh. Like the face.